Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a TradingView demo account. First, understand that a demo account, also known as paper trading, lets you practice trading with virtual money. This is incredibly valuable for beginners to learn the platform and test strategies without any financial risk. You can access this feature directly within your TradingView account, making it simple to get started right away. To set up your demo account, first open TradingView and look for the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Paper Trading and click the Connect button. This will instantly activate your virtual trading account. You'll find that your account is automatically funded with a generous $100,000 in virtual money, ready for you to begin practicing trades. Now that your demo account is active, you can start practicing. Place virtual buy or sell orders directly from the chart or through the order panel, just as you would with real money. Experiment with the extensive charting tools, including different indicators and drawing objects, to analyze market trends. Keep a close eye on your simulated portfolio to track your performance and learn from your virtual trades. For more advanced practice, regularly analyze your trade history and performance metrics to refine your strategies. If you ever want to start over, you can easily reset your virtual balance, returning it to $100,000, giving you a fresh start. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, and discover other great deals we've shared. Keep practicing to build your confidence and skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.